So in this video we will talk about median. So median in an ungrouped data is median depends on number of terms. If the number of terms in an ungrouped data is even, so median is n by 2 n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Whereas if the number of terms are odd, so median becomes n plus 1 by 2 n plus 1 by 2th term. So that is median. But when the data is grouped one, so for group data, median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. So where L is the lower limit of the median class, so median class will be just greater than this n by 2. The value which is just greater than n by 2, n is number of terms. So n by 2, the frequency which is just greater than n by 2 is median class. We will discuss this with the help of questions. So L is lower limit of median class, N is number of observations, CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, F is frequency of median class, and H is class size. So let's discuss this with the help of questions. So question number first, exercise 14.3. So this is question number first. So in question number first we have, we all know class mark is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So in question number first we have to determine the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So we have to find out mean, median and mode. So mean we all know how to determine. So firstly I have written monthly consumption, that is CI, 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185 and 185 to 205. So frequency corresponding to it I have written here in second column. So total frequency is 68. Now next column is cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency we'll write for determining median. So cumulative frequency means frequency for the first cumulative frequency will be the same as frequency. So 4. Now next cumulative frequency will be 4 plus 5, which is 9. Then next is 9 plus 13, 22. So 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So these are cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, after cumulative frequency we have next column of class mark. Class mark we all know upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So upper class is say 85 plus 65 divided by 2 is 75. Then 105 plus 85 divided by 2 is 95. Then 115, then 135, then 155, then 175, then 195. So these are class marks. Now DI we have already studied. DI is XI minus A. So A we can take any value. Let's take 135 as A. So DI will be equal to XI minus 135. So XI is 75 minus 135 is minus 60. Then this is minus 40. Then 115 minus 135 minus 20. Then 0. Then 155 minus 135 is 20. Then this is 40. And the last one 60. So UI is DI upon H. So H value is class size is 20 here. So this will be DI upon 20. So DI upon 20 means minus 60 upon 20 is minus 3. Then minus 2. Then minus 1. Then 0. Then 1. Then 2. And then 3. Now FI UI means FI multiplied by UI. UI is this one. So 4 multiplied minus 3 is minus 12. 5 multiplied minus 2 is minus 10. 13 multiplied minus 1 is minus 13. 0, 14. 8 multiplied 2 is 16. 4 multiplied 3 is 12. Now after adding these values we'll have the sum will be equal to 7. So mean formula is sigma Fi UI upon A plus sigma Fi UI upon sigma Fi. So mean formula is equal to, so mean I am writing here, mean is equal to sigma Fi UI upon sigma Fi multiply by h plus a. So this is sigma fi ui is 7 upon 68, multiply by h is 20 plus a is 135. So this will be 135 plus 140 upon 68, which is 137.058. So this is mean. Next we have to find out mod. So mod formula we have already discussed. Mod is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply by h. So L, lower frequency. So here model class will be, the highest frequency is 20. So this will be model class. So for model class, lower frequency is 125. So 125 plus f1 is 20 minus f0, just frequency previous than model class, which is 13, upon 2f1 multiply by 2 multiply 20 minus f0 13 minus f2 14, frequency next to succeeding the model class frequency, which is 14, multiply by 20. So on simplification, this will be equal to 125 plus 140 upon 13, which is 135.76. So this is mod. So let's talk about median now. So median is equal to n by 2. The formula is n by 2 L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F. So L median is equal to L2 minus CF upon F multiply by H. So let's write it here. This will here n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to 168 upon 2, which is 34. So 34 here will lie. 34 here will lie in this. So this will be median class. Cumulative frequency just greater than 34 is this 42. So just greater than 34 is 42. So this will be median class. So lower limit for median class will be, so L will be equal to 125 to 145 is the median class. So L will be 125, and if L is 125, H is 20. So H is 20. Frequency of median class F is equal to 20. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class CF will be 22. So putting the values in this, so median is equal to L. L is 125. Plus n by 2. So n by 2 means 34 minus CF is 22 upon F is 20 multiply by H is 20. This will be 125 plus 12. So 125 plus 12 will be equal to 137. So 137 is median. Mod is 135.76. Mean is 137.058. So let's move on to next question. Question number 2. So in this, if the median of the distribution is given below is 28.5. So median is already given in this question. So we have to find out x and y. So here first column will be of class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. Frequency is this one. So total frequency is given, it is 60. So CF cumulative frequency will be 5 plus x. So 5 plus x. 5 plus x plus 20 is 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15 is 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y is this. 40 plus x plus y plus 5 is 45 plus x plus y. So we all know if median is 28.5, so median 28.5 will lie between 20 to 30. So this will be the median class. So median class is this. So let's start this question. So we all know this 45 plus x plus y will be total of frequency. So 45 plus x plus y will be equal to 60. So we can say 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So 45 plus x plus y is 60. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45, which is 15. First equation. Second, median of the data is 28.5, which lies in 20 to 30 class interval. So median class is equal to 20 to 30. So if this is median class 20 to 30, so L will be equal to, here L is 20, lower limit, which is 20. Cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class will be 5 plus x, as this is the median class. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is 5 plus x. So CF is 5 plus x. Next frequency is 20. Class size H is 10. So putting the value in this median formula, so 28.5, median is 28.5. So 28.5 is equal to L. L value is 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 means 60 upon 2 minus CF. So 5 plus x upon 20 multiplied by h. So h value is 10. So solving this, so this will be equal to, now 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. So 8.5 is equal to 25. This 60 upon 2 is 30. 30 minus 5 is 25. Minus x upon 20. 20 multiplied by 10. So 0 to 0 cancel. So on simplification, x will be equal to 8. So putting the value of x into this first equation, so y is 15 minus x. So 15 minus 8 is, so this implies y is equal to 7. So y is 7 and x is 8. So this is these are the answers. So let's move on to next question. So this is how we have used this median formula. So you also just pause the video and do it. So next question number 3rd. So in question number 3rd, these are the values given to us. So a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So here the age is given in this form: below 20, below 25, below 30. So class width is not same. So there is no requirement of adjusting the frequency according to class intervals. So the given frequency table is of less than type represented with upper class limits. So the policy were given only to persons with age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So therefore class interval with their respective cumulative frequency can be defined as below. So we can say the class interval will be from 18, as the frequency, the distribution is from 18 years onwards. So 18 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, and then 55 to 60 is the last one. So now frequency is below 20 we have 2. So 18 to 20 will be 2. Now below 25 is 6. So below 25 is 6 and below 20 is 2. So 20 to 25 will be 6 minus 2, which is 4. Next, below 30 is 24. So below 25 is already given to us. Below 25 is 6 in the question, and below 30 is 24. So 25 to 30 will be 24 minus 6, which is 18. So next is 45 minus 24 and so on. So here we have written the frequencies. So these are the frequencies. 30 to 35, 30 to 35 we have 21, 35 to 40 we have 33, 40 to 45 we have 11, 45 to 50 we have 3, 50 to 55 we have 6, 55 to 60 we have 2. So cumulative frequency for this will be 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 18, 24, 24 plus 21, 45, 45 plus 33, 78, 78 plus 11, 89, 89 plus 3, 92, 92 plus 6, 98, and 98 plus 2, 100. So these are cumulative frequency. So median formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F. So here N is 100. So total frequency is 100. So N by 2 will be 50. So N by 2, N upon 2 is equal to 100 upon 2, which is 50. So 50 is N. So cumulative, the median class will be this 35 to 40, as 78 is greater than 50. So just greater than 50. So median class will be 35 to 40. Median class is equal to 35 to 40. So median class is 35 to 40. Lower limit L. So L is equal to 35. Class size is H. H is equal to 5. Frequency of median class F, it is 33. Comma, cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class CF will be 45. So putting the values in this median formula, so median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. So L value is 35 plus N by 2 is 50 minus CF is 45 upon F. F value is 33 multiplied by H. H value is 5. So simplifying this, we'll get 35 is equal to 25. 35 plus 25 upon 33. So on simplification, this will be 35.76. 35.76 is the median. Let's talk about question number 4 now. So length, here the frequency, the data which is given to us is not continuous. So it can be observed that the difference between two class intervals is 1. So therefore 1 by 2 is 0.5. So 0.5 has to be added and subtracted to upper class limits and lower class limits respectively. So length will be 117.5 to 126.5, then 126.5 to 135.5. So in lower class limits we have subtracted 0.5, and in upper class limits we have added 0.5, and frequency is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2 corresponding to these class intervals. So CF will be 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 12 is 29, 29 plus 5 is 34, 34 plus 4 is 38, 38 plus 2 is 40. So total will be 40. So sum of these frequencies is 40. So let's talk about median. So median formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. So N by 2. So N by 2 is 40 by 2. So 40 by 2, which is 20. So 20 means the median class will be this one, 144.5 to 153.5. So this will be median class. So median class is equal to 144.5 to 153.5. So L will be equal to 144.5. L is 144.5. H is equal to the gap. So the gap between them is how much? 153.5 minus 144.5. So H is 9. Next, CF, cumulative frequency of the preceding median class is 17, comma F, frequency is 12, class size we have already written. So putting the values, median is equal to L. L value is 144.5 plus N by 2. So N by 2 is 40 upon 2, which is 20, minus CF. CF is 17 upon F. F is 12 multiplied by H. H is 9. So on solving this, this will be equal to 144.5 plus 9 upon 4. So 144.5 plus 9 upon 4. So which is equal to 146.75. So this is median. So median length of leaves is 146.75 mm. So this is the answer. So next is question number 6. So in question number 6, it is given to us that 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames were obtained as follows. So number of letters are 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, and 16 to 19. Frequency is 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. So we have to determine the median number of letters, find the mean number of letters, and also the model size. So we all know whenever we have to determine mean, mode and median, all three of them. So first column will be of class interval, which we have written. Then next will be of frequency is this one. Then cumulative frequency is 6 plus 30, 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 400. This last cumulative frequency should be equal to the total number of frequencies, which is 100. Now xi is upper class mark, xi is class mark. So lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 4 plus 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 4 plus 7 divided by 2 is 5.5. Then 8.5, then 11.5, then 14.5, then 17.5. Next column is di. So di is xi minus a. So a value, let's take a is equal to 11.5. So a is equal to 11.5. So if a is 11.5, so di will be equal to xi minus 11.5. Here I am writing a is equal to 11.5. So xi minus 11.5. So xi minus 11.5. So 2.5 minus 11.5 is minus 9. 5.5 minus 11.5 is minus 6. Then minus 3. Then 0. Then 3. And then 6. So these are di. So next column is of ui. ui is di upon h. So h is the gap. So gap is 3. So h value will be equal to 3. So h is equal to 3. So ui is equal to di upon h. So di is how much? Minus 9 upon 3 is minus 3. So di upon 3. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So next is FIUI. So FIUI means frequency multiply UI. So 6 multiply minus 3 is minus 18. 30 multiply minus 2 is minus 60. Then 40 multiply minus 1 is minus 40. Then 0. Then 4 multiply 1 is 4. 4 multiply 2 is 8. Sum of all these will be minus 106. Total is minus 106. Here the sum is 100. So now sigma FIUI is minus 106. So we all know mean is equal to a plus sigma FIUI upon sigma FI multiplied by h. So which is equal to a. A is how much? 11.5. Plus sigma FIUI. So minus 106 upon 100 multiplied by h is 3. So this will be 11.5 minus 3.18. So this will be 8.32. So mean is equal to 8.32. So mean value is 8.32. Now model class. So the highest frequency, maximum frequency is 40. So this will be the model class. So let's write down model class is equal to 7 to 10. So model class is 7 to 10. Now L, lower limit. So lower limit is 7. Class size H is equal to 3. Frequency of model class F1 is equal to 40. Frequency of class preceding the model class F0. So F0 will be equal to 30. Frequency of class succeeding the model class will be 16. So F2 is equal to 16. So putting the value, So mod formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So this will be equal to L is 7 plus F1. F1 is 40 minus F0 30 upon 2 multiplied by 40 minus 30 minus 16 multiplied by 3. So this will be equal to 7 plus 10 upon 34 multiplied by 3. So on simplification this will be 7 plus 30 upon 34, which is 7.88. So mod is equal to 7.88. So this is mod. Now median. So median class will be median class. So median class is the frequency. Median is n by 2. So n is 100. So n by 2 is equal to 100 upon 2, which is 50. So n by 2 is 50. So 50 is, you know, the frequency just greater than 50 is this 76. So this will be median class. So median class is equal to 7 to 10. 7 to 10 median. So median class is 7 to 10. So lower frequency, lower limit L will be equal to 7. CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, is 36. Comma, frequency of the median class F is equal to 40. Class size H is equal to 3. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. So putting the value, L is 7 plus 50 minus 36 upon F is 40 multiplied by 3. So multiply by 3. So this will be 7 plus 14 multiplied by 3 upon 40. So which is 8.05. 8.05. So this is median. So in this question we have determined mean, then mod, then median. So whenever a question involve all three of them, mean, mod and median, so you can find out them using this one. In question number 5 and question number 7 you have to determine only median. So that you can easily do, just pause the video and go for those questions. Just find out median in question number 5 and in question number 7. So the same method you have to use. So let me just summarize what we have done in this video. So we have learned how to find out median. We have learned how to find out all three of them together. As like in question number first, we have to determine mean, mod and median. So mean for first column will always be of class interval Ci, next column will be of frequency Fi, then cumulative frequency Cf, then class marks Xi is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2, then Di for mean, so Xi minus A, then ui is di upon h, then fi ui. So these all, whenever we have to determine mean, mode and median in a question, so we have to use this method. So there is one relation between median, mode and mean also. So the relation is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So if you have determined mean, 2 of them, so you can easily find out the third one using this formula. So 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So you can try finding out the third one using this formula also. So this is all for this video. We have completed exercise 14.3 in this video. In the next video we'll be discussing exercise 14.4 and ogive curves. So thank you all. Be in touch.